So guys, welcome to a brand new YouTube video on the channel. Now, I know it has been a while, so if you're still watching this, thank you so much. Thank you for waiting for me and sticking with me, being patient. But first off, before we start this video, I want to say thank you to everyone. We reached 500 subscribers now. I know it's not the biggest amount of subscribers, not a huge number, but to me it means a lot because I obviously started as well as everyone else, started from zero. To me, 500 people is a lot to watch my video and to like me enough to subscribe. So thank you so much for everyone else. And thank you also to the people who've been following up with me asking like, yo, where are the videos, man? Why'd you stop uploading? Please upload more. So to everyone, thank you for being patient with me. And I'm actually really excited because right now I'm actually filming on a brand new camera setup. So I'm very excited to make these new YouTube videos. I'm gonna be talking about what direction I wanna go in because I really got really clear on what I wanna do. So all of that's gonna be explained in this video.
Yeah. 9/11, I'm in the building. I fell in love with this feeling. I'm working, I'm never chilling. Hustle like I got children. You niggas sweeter than cinnamon.
So I don't want to make this video too long. I just want to make it short, sweet, to the point. It's kind of like an introductory. So like I said, I've been kind of confused as to what I really wanted to do on my channel, what direction I wanted to go in, whether that was vlogging, because if you watch my channel or if you watch my videos from a while back, about a year or so ago, I did a lot of vlogs, and I found that it didn't really help people, right? Because it was cool that I was able to document stuff that was going on in my life, but I didn't feel fulfilled. I didn't feel like I was helping anybody or reaching as many people as I should be. So I kind of made the transition. As you see, my last couple of videos have been sort of more informational, sit down, explaining things, tips and tricks, and I found that it helped a lot more. However, like I said, honestly, making vlogs, stuff like that, documenting your life is pretty fun. So I was a little confused on what I wanted to do. So what I did is I asked Instagram. If you don't follow me on Instagram, follow me. I'll throw up my username on the screen right now. If you follow me, let me know you're from my YouTube channel. I'll go ahead and follow you back. But yeah, I asked on my story, what type of content do you guys want to see? Do you want to see the more vlog, document style of the journey, or do you guys want to see more informational style? It's kind of stuck up between both of those, but I'll put up the results on the screen right now just so you can see for yourself. I do want to do both styles, right? So it doesn't mean that you're just going to see one style of the video, whatever, obviously the informational one. I still want to be able to have variety and versatility with my channel. So you are going to see more of the vlog, document style, stuff like that, more of the cinematic, creative style of me. And you're also going to see the more knowledge, the value, how I can help people. You're going to see both sides on this channel. I'm really looking forward to all the content that I'm going to be producing in the near future. There's a lot of stuff that's been going on in my life that I can't wait to update you guys on. But like I said, this channel is going to be primarily like 70% of value, informational, because if you know me, I love social media, I love marketing, all that stuff. So if you like anything like with the tech, photography, videography, all that stuff, you're in the right place. I love that. That's a big passion of mine. But I also want to be able to document my journey because I'm an 18-year-old entrepreneur. I'm very young. There's a lot of things that I've learned and that I have yet to learn. I want to be able to document all that. I want to be able to look back 5 years from now and be like, this is what I was. This is what I was like. These are the things I was kind of doing. And I think that's very cool. And I think YouTube's a perfect platform to do that. And that's why I really like it more than honestly Instagram and stuff like that. So like I said, it's going to be more like a 70-30. 70% of the time it's going to be value, informational, stuff like that. Sit down, tips and tricks. I might have different people come onto the channel, exchange some value, stuff like that. Maybe some of my mentors and all that. And then 30% of the time it's going to be vlogs. It's going to be more fun stuff with my friends, day in the life. So you guys let me know what you guys want to see. If you didn't get the chance to vote on my poll, because it was about like 2 weeks ago, make sure to comment down below what type of videos you want to see. Do you want to see more vlog, document style, where I can get a little bit more creative and stuff like that with the editing and all that stuff, the video composition, or do you want to see more value, sit down, informational stuff like I've been posting on my last couple videos? So yeah, it's going to be very fun. I can't wait to start pumping out more content just on both sides of the spectrum, value, informational, and vlog and document, because it's very fun. Now, like I said, I do have a brand new camera setup now. The old setup is right here. It's a good camera. It's a Panasonic G7. I filmed all my videos with this, vlogs and stuff like that. I filmed on this as well. And it has a flip out screen. Super cool camera. I really like it. But I just want to look for something else. This can record 4K. It really did everything I needed it to do. But just for my side projects and all the video work and photo work that I was doing, I just felt the need to upgrade. So I eventually did upgrade to, we're just going to put that right there. If we can, okay, no, that looks ugly. I wanted to be able to upgrade my quality, update everything, and that's kind of what I did. I have some more stuff coming in that I might even show on video, because I'm just a huge tech guru. Like, I love that stuff. I'm a nerd about it. But I upgraded some stuff for the channel. Like I said, I got this brand new camera. I'm shooting on the Sony a6500. We're recording in 4K right now. The Sigma 30mm f1.4. So yeah, very, very excited. Awesome setup. I actually shot some photos last night just to test it out because I just got it in. And I'll throw up some of those photos on the screen. I posted one on my Instagram. But I'm very, very excited for this new setup. It makes me want to create content again. Like I said, I'm really going to get back onto it. And I know it's been a while. I want to thank everyone for 500 subscribers and also staying with me. For everyone that's watching, I really, really appreciate it. It means a lot. So a lot of cool stuff coming in the near future. So stick with me. Like I said, to everyone who has, I really, really appreciate it. And yeah, I know it's been a while. It's been like 3 months. But I really, really want to get back into it. And like I said, YouTube is one of the things that I love doing. It's so fun creating videos because you can kind of put your own taste and style onto it. So yeah, it's a fun part. Just break down what sort of direction my channel is going to go, so I don't just come out of the blue and surprise you guys and stuff like that, so you know what to expect. So yeah, next video is going to be coming out. It's going to be more informational. I do want to focus on also like the photo and video side, because I do get a lot of questions on how do I edit my videos, stuff like that. What is my editing process like? All that stuff, photo editing. So I'm going to interpret a little bit of that for the creative people, photographers, videographers who want to see that, and also for people who just come to learn about marketing, social media marketing, all that stuff. A lot of that is going to be here. So if you like all that stuff, the whole media side, marketing side of social media, the tech, digital stuff, you're in the right place. So check out any of my other videos if you are new to my channel. This is the first video you're seeing after any of the other ones. Check out any of the videos I have. I really, really appreciate it. Let me know what sort of content you guys want to see, and I'll make sure to make that. So other than that, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Please remember to like, share, and subscribe. And remember, don't let dreams be dreams. I'm out. Peace.